Welcome. In today's session, we will try to understand 10 questions which are asked in different aptitude exams. These questions are from different topics of quantitative aptitude. Let us start. This is the first question which is on partnership. PQR invested 42,000, 60,000, and 80,000 respectively to start a business. At the end of 4 years, they earned the profit 80,200. Always remember the profit shared is always proportional to their investment if the time of investment of all partners are same. Now here, all partners invested their money for 4 years. So their profit will be directly shared as per their investment. So profit of P, profit of Q, and profit of R will be in ratio 42,000 as to 60,000 as to 80,000. So we have to simplify this ratio. So three zeros will get cancelled. You can further simplify this with 2. So 21 as to 30 as to 40. So in this ratio, this 18,200 will be divided. So just add up these terms. So you will get 91. If you divide this factor by 91, so you will get 200 as a proportionate variable. So you want to find the Q share in a profit. Q is getting 30 units in the ratio. So profit of Q will be equal to 30 multiplied by 200. That is equal to 6,000, which is your option number 5. So keep this in mind when you have to find the profit ratio. It is always find out by compound ratio of investment ratio and time of investment ratio. But here in this case, the time of investment of all partners is same. That's why we divided that profit in a ratio of investment. Now the next question, A invested 90,000 rupees in a business. Now after 4 months, B joined the business with rupees X. So how much money B invested, we don't know. At the end of the year, the profit share of B is 8,000 out of the total profit of 17,000. Now see, initially B was not in partnership. After 4 months he joined, and that partnership lasts for 1 year. It means that time of investment of B's money is only 8 months. So you keep this in mind. So profit of B is given as 8,000 out of 17,000. So profit of A will be equal to 17,000 minus 8,000. So that is 9,000. So you already know the profit of both the partners, that is profit of A upon profit of B will be equal to investment of A into time period of A divided by is investment of B into time period of B. Now, so A is getting 9,000 rupees, B is getting 8,000 rupees is equal to A invested 90,000 rupees and he started the business. Till end of the business he was in the partnership. So his investment is for 1 year, that means 12 months. B invested how much money, we don't know. B invested X amount and for 8 months. Why 8 months? Because he joined after 4 months. So this zeros get cancelled. This will cancel this 90,000 in on 10,000. So this 8 on the both side get cancelled. After simplifying this, you will get B's investment as 1,20,000, which is option number 1. So here we can see that profit is shared as per the investment and the time of investment. The next question, Sumit, Ravi and Punit invest 42, 45,000, 81,000 and 90,000 respectively to start a business. At the end of the year, the total profit is rupees 4,800. 30% of the total profit gives in a charity and the rest is divided among them. So let us figure out first 30% of this. 30% of 4,800. If you figure out this 30% of 4,800, this is 1,440. So how much profit is divided amongst them? That is 4,800 minus 1,440. So if you subtract this, this will be 6 carried out this. Then this is the profit which will be shared according to their investment, because the time of investment for all partners are same. So profit of Sumit as to profit of Ramit as to Ravi as to profit of Puneet will be 45,000. So I'm just eliminating this thousand, three zeros from everywhere. So 45 as to 81 as to 90. Further, which can be simplified as 5 as to 9 as to 10. If we add up this total is 24 and 3,360. Divide this by 24. 24 ones are 24 fours are. So 140 is the value of 1 unit in this ratio. We want to find the share of Sumit. Sumit is getting 5 units in a ratio. 1 unit is equivalent to 140. So 5 units will be equivalent to 5 multiplied by 140. That is equal to 700. So Sumit's share in the profit after giving 30% to the charity will be 700. Now next question is on average. The average age of 30 boys in a class is 14 years. So total of for 30 boys will be 30 multiplied by 14, that is 420. So this is the total age of 30 students. When the age of class teacher is included, the average becomes 15. Now when class teacher is included, total number of members will become 31 and the average is becoming 15. So just multiply this. 15 ones are 15, carry 1 and this will be 465. Now this 465 includes the age of a class teacher. So just subtract the age of all boys here or students here. So you will get 45 as a leftover, which is nothing but the age of a class teacher, which is your option number one. Now, next question. This is also can be solved with the help of the concepts of partnership. A and B rent a pasture for 10 months. A puts 90 cows for the 7 months. And how many cows B put in the remaining 3 months if he pays, that means B pays half as much as A. Now, the rent paid by rent of A as to rent of B is nothing but 2 as to 1 because B paid half of the rent as A is paying. So, the rent for A will depend on the number of cows he that put cows for the 7 months. So, 19 multiplied by 7. Now we don't know how many cows bees have, but he put his cows for 3 months. So just simplify this and find the value of x. So if you simplify this further, so this will cancel on 30 and this 2 cancel this 30 on 15. So x will be equal to 105. So your answer is 105, which is option number 3. Next question, see, this is the question on time and work. Ram Krishna can finish a work in 20 days and Suresh in 25 days. Acha, Ramakrishna is only one person. He finishes the job in 20 days and Suresh finishes in 25 days. They both work together for 5 days and Suresh goes away. In how many days Ramakrishna complete the remaining work? Now see, Ramakrishna complete the job in 20 days and Suresh completed in 25 days. So let us figure out the LCM of this both. LCM of this both will be 100. So they are completing 100 units. This is the whole work. Now, from this, you can find their 1 day capacity. If Ramakrishna is completing 100 units in 20 days, it means that he is preparing 5 units per day. If Suresh is preparing 100 units in 25 days, it means that he is preparing 4 units per day. Now, together, both are working together, completes 9 units per day. They started work and they work for 5 days. It means that in 5 days, they completed 9 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 45 units. Okay, so what is the remaining work here? Remaining work after 5 days will be 100 minus 45, that is 55 units. When 55 units are remain, Suresh left the job. Now this 55 units Ramakrishna has to do. And Ramakrishna's capacity is 5 units per day. So to complete this 55 units, he will require 55 upon 5, that is equal to 11 days. So Ramakrishna will require 11 days to complete the remaining work. This is the best method to deal with the questions of time and work. Okay, so try to understand this. Next question, again on the time and work. If P can do a job in 6 days, Q can do it in 8 days. And if R can do the same job in 12 days and he joins them, then the work will be completed in how many days? So what they are asking, if they are working together in how many days work will be completed? P completes in 6 days, Q completes in 8 days and R in 12 days. So just figure out the LCM of this. LCM of तीनों का LCM हो जाएगा 24 units. So the whole work is 24 units. So in one day P is completing 4 units. 6 fours are Q is completing 3 units, 8 threes are, and R is completing 2 units. If they are working together, they are completing 9 units per day. And अगर उनको 24 units का काम दिया गया तो your answer will be 24 upon 9, and 24 upon 9 is nothing but 3 by 8 by 3 days, which is your option number 2. So this is the best method to deal with this question. You can solve these questions very easily. Now this is little bit tricky, my dear friends. So 5 men and 10 boys complete the job in 30 days. So this group complete the job in 30 days. 8 men and 12 boys complete the same job in 20 days. So let us figure out their 1 day capacity. So I assume that LCM of 20 and 30 is 60 units. So in 1 day, this group of 5 men and 10 boys completing 2 units. And in 1 day, this group of 8 men and 12 boys completing 3 units. So I will have two simultaneous equations here. 5m plus 10b is equal to 2, and 8m plus 12b is equal to 3. We have to solve these equations, and you have a habit of solving simultaneous equations. So I will multiply this by 6 and this by 5 to equate the coefficient of b. So I will get 25m plus 60b is equal to 12, and here 24m plus 60b, that is equal to 15. So if you simplify this, so you are multiplying this 4, so this is 40. So this is 15m, and you are multiplying here by 6, so this is 30. So this is 10m is equal to 3. So m is equal to 3 by 10. I am ignoring the negative side from the both sides. Now put this value of m as 3 by 10 in any of this equation. So if I kept this in 5, 3 by 10 plus 10b is equal to 2. So this will cancel on 2. So 10b is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. So 2 minus 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. So this is for 1 by 2. So b, one boy, will be equal to 1 upon 20. So we want to find the ratio of daily work of a man and a boy. So I'm taking this here. A man completes 3 by 10 units and a boy completes 1 by 20 units. So just simplify this, 0 0 will get cancelled. 3 twos are 6. So your final answer is 6 as to 1. So this question is little bit lengthy compared to the previous one. Next question. A man spends 60% of his income. Now this is a question on percentage. Let us say man's income is 100, and income के दो ही part होते हैं, that is expenses and saving. Now he spent 60% of saving, 60% of income, so that is expenses 60 and saving is 40. Now his income is increased by 20%. So पहले 100 था तो अब 120 हो जाएगा. He also increases the expenditure by 10%. Now पहले 60% कर रहा था, अभी 70% कर रहा है. So 70% of this is nothing but 84. That means he is saving only 36 rupees now. 120 minus 84 is 36. So initially he was saving 40. Now he is saving 36. So it is reduced by 4. 4 compared to 40 is nothing but 10% reduction in his saving. So your option is option number 4. Okay. Let us take this question, which is on mixture and allocation. Again, there is a use of profit and loss here. Rani mixes 70 kgs of sugar worth rupees 28.50 per kg with 100 kgs of sugar worth rupees 30.50 per kg. At what rate shall he sell the mixture at 10% gain? So first find the cost price of this 170 kgs, this 70 and 100. From this you have to find the figure out cost per kg for this mixture. So 70 multiplied by 2850. अगर आप करते हो ये, so you can ignore this zero. So just multiply this zero and decimal point will eliminate. So 7 5s are 35, carry 3. 7 8s are 56 plus 3, that is 9, and 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5, that is 19. So this is the total cost of 70 kgs of sugar, and 100 multiplied by 30.50 is nothing but 3050. So if I add this, so this is 5040 is a cost of 170 kgs of sugar, CP of. Now इससे 1 kg का मिल जाएगा CP of 1 kg will be equal to 5045 divided by 70. तो 0 से अगर डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो दिस इज लुक्स लाइक दिस 504.5 divided by 70. 17 twos are 34, remainder will be 16. 29 point something, this will be your cost price, but we want to sell it as 10% profit. Approximate answer estimate करो, इसका 10% हो जाएगा 2.9, so 31.9, so your answer should be close to 32, so your answer is option number 2. No need to find the exact answer because this 504.5 is not exactly divisible by 17. In this way, my dear friend, we discussed top 10 questions here. I hope you people enjoyed this. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to press like button, comment and share it to as many people as you can. If you're new to this channel, subscribe it and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.